Welcome, and thank you for volunteering for the role of Student Academic Rep. We hope that you will find it an interesting and rewarding experience. Now let's get started. So, what is it all about? In essence, it is all about quality. The university needs the students' feedback to improve its courses design, thus increasing student satisfaction and improving student performance. The Quality Assurance Agency sets out expectations and criteria for higher education providers. Student feedback is required to ensure that appropriate and effective teaching, support, assessment and learning resources are provided for students, that the learning opportunities provided are monitored, and that the provider considers how to improve them. Students themselves want to ensure they receive good quality education and good value for their money. The Students' Union monitors the student feedback from a variety of sources and acts to protect the rights and needs of students. Now pause for a minute and have a think. Why do we have a formal rep system? The Student Academic Rep system is also about efficiency. There are many ways in which student feedback is collected. The National Student Survey, group surveys, complaints, the penultimate year survey, program evaluations, module evaluations, and individual feedback, to name but a few. When students individually have lots of things to say, a good rep collects all these voices together and gives them shape and coherence. This way, the message which will be relayed to tutors is clearer and thoughts better formed. The rep system is a part of the student voice, and you can use this to get support and advice. The academic officer can link with you at any time to support you and your group in resolving any academic issues. Isaac will be visiting different campuses over the year, but no matter when or what campus you're on, he will try his best to come and meet you. Departmental reps are part of the panel and are students who have been student academic reps like you. They understand what being a rep is like and can also flag up some of your unresolved issues in their meetings with university staff from your department. If you are stuck or if you feel your voice is not being heard, they are well worth getting in touch with. UCSU has a dedicated member of staff to provide training and advice for all student representatives. Any questions, just get in touch. So what does a rep do? First of all, the team players are the students in your class, your tutors and program leaders, other student representatives and the Students' Union. A rep gathers information about how the course is going from their class. This is processed and organised by the rep, which may involve considering where is actually the most appropriate place to flag up the issue, or problem solving to find some solutions to bring forward before they are presented to tutors. The appropriate feedback is then presented to relevant tutors or program leaders and discussed in informal, initiated by you, or formal meetings. The latter are called staff student forums. They are compulsory meetings for reps and happen 2-3 times a year. Throughout this process, a rep has at hand the support of other reps, of dedicated UCSU staff, officers and representatives. All relevant contacts will be posted out on the rep's Blackboard site, to which all reps have access. In order for all these processes to be effective, there has to be a two-way interaction. This means that you also have to feed back to your cohort the outcomes of your formal and informal meetings, and if you need help, link up with the appropriate support until you feel you have achieved your goal. Spend some time now considering what other activities a rep might do. When you're ready, go and watch Freya's video.